Are you struggling to improve your language translation skills? Look no further. Introducing Chat GPT, the ultimate tool for mastering language translation practice. With Chat GPT, you can simulate real-life conversations to enhance your translation abilities. It's as simple as chatting with a virtual partner who can help you practice your target language. Just type in your messages and engage in a conversation. Chat GPT will respond in real time, providing you with translations and suggestions to refine your language skills. But that's not all. Chat GPT offers different levels of complexity, allowing you to challenge yourself at your own pace. Start with basic conversations and gradually progress to more advanced discussions. Additionally, Chat GPT caters to multiple languages, so you can practice translating in a language of your choice. Whether you're learning Spanish, French, or any other language, Chat GPT has got you covered. The best part? Chat GPT is available anytime, anywhere. You can access it through your laptop, mobile phone, or tablet, making it convenient for on-the-go language practice. So why wait? Start mastering language translation practice with Chat GPT today and take your language skills to new heights. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tools.